making the orange bird flip. This is from the This is for the 50th of Walt Disney World. So happy birthday, Walt Disney World! My favorite place in the world. I love Walt Disney World. This is from the Magic Kingdom when it first opened. They don't make this drink anymore, sadly, but it was at the I think it was at the Terrace or whatever. I want this recipe. It's for sure well, you can make it at home. And also there was an orange bird walk around. You can insert picture here. So if you want to see that, but they used to have a Figment walk around character. They don't have him anymore, unfortunately. Well, not. They also have the Dreamfinder with the Figment, so that's pretty cool. So let's start. Come on, we have a recipe right here. So we have our blender over here. We got our recipe. Let's start. This recipe is for one person, but you can double as much as you want. So we have our blender. This is from my friend. She donated it to us. So one start. My friend Joey from Taste Like Disney made this, so shout out to you. Check him out, he's great. He makes a lot of Disney recipes, like vintage stuff. And stuff I really don't do, so he's pretty awesome. And his dog Sophie, she's really cute. So she's his editor, producer, so that she's really cute. All right, let's start. So you want to do a half a cup orange juice, or do a blowing this. So this is going to be a cup of orange juice. Okay. You can use any brand. I'm just using 40 orange juice. I'm using 40 natural because I'm going to use the orange, but it's too expensive. I think the orange bird has been there since it doesn't.
Orange juice is in the way.
Huh? So how much of an egg? So we're using egg, but you want this has egg in it. So you want pasture, you use like egg leaders, pasteurized egg. So 2 eggs is half a cup. So right in there. That was 2 eggs.
How much are you supposed to use?
It says 1, but we're making it for 2 people, so 2 eggs. I need to make sure. Yeah. Half a cup is 2 large eggs, okay.
Okay. And how many eggs are you supposed to use?
1 in the original. 1.
Okay.
Yeah. We're doubling this recipe.
So the 2 is fine.
Yeah. Well, the recipe calls for 2 brews and 4 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons on juice, but we're 4 of them. That makes sense to you. 4 tablespoons lime juice. I couldn't find like fresh limes. This is what we have to use. I looked in the list already. Is that 3? I think that's 3. 3? How much was that? I don't remember. 3. Sorry, my mind's just going all over the place. Honey? So it's 1 tablespoon of honey original, so 2 tablespoons. This is probably sticky. That's why I did the honey last, because it's going to be sticky. Makes sense, right? Come on. Work with me here. Come on. Honey? And this is totally vegan. Well, you can also make this vegan. You can totally use like vegan eggs. I can tell you that about recipe too. Alright, that's done. So put in your blade. Timer for the bell. So what you want to do, put it on your blade and blend it. Put it in your blender, blend it. Uh-oh. No, that's not good. No, it's not left on the way. Oops. cup I could find. So I have another one, but it's not. You can't really see it. Huh. So you want to garnish with orange slice? Well, it says mint, but I don't like mint, so how do I do this?
And my mint plants died, so.
Yeah. So, okay. Oh, we'll try it. Let's see. See how this is? Not bad. It's pretty good. All right, guys. This is actually pretty good. I like this. But I wish they still serve this, but they don't anymore. So, thanks for joining me with Cook Magic. Go check. Like I said, go check out Joey. He's great. But happy birthday, Walt Disney World. I hope to get back to you eventually soon. So I'm a former cast member. You guys don't know. So, but love this. Have a magical day, guys. Take care. Peace love, Mick Jackson. Bye. Love you. Bye bye. I'm enjoying this.
Save some for me.
You want to try it? What do you think? Try it. What do you think? It's actually not bad. It's pretty good. You don't like it? You don't like it? No.
I was trying to do it, Stash.
That's good. Bye, guys. I like that. That's good.